Good morning, and this time we had a freezing night, around minus 22 degrees Celsius. And the car ECU shows that the coolant temperature is around minus 19 Celsius. So let's see how she starts. All right, let's turn off the electronics. That was a rough start, but pretty good. Pretty good. Let's give her a light throttle, just a little bit, to see that black smoke. This was pretty good. I think it's pretty good.